In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TinyPPT to download different kind of hierarchy templates that you can use for your organizational charts and so on. Take a look at this one. This is a sample organizational chart or flow chart containing names of people. You can always add different names and brands and images of people to create this kind of organizational chart. For example, this one I've created using the text box, so you can just copy and paste it somewhere, and you can also edit it accordingly. Okay, so you can always add it somewhere and then edit. Now this template, I got it from tinyppt.com. You can see tinyppt.com. Once you're here, you can come to hierarchy, and it's going to give you a type of different kind of slide like this one. You can select, you can customize it to your liking, or this one. This is the one we have just shown as well. So you can see so many of them that is in hierarchy, like this one as well. You can select this and this one. If you have a flow chart that you want to create, maybe for a project or for a seminar or for timeline or different categories of your work, you can also use this one as well. So depending whichever one you choose, you can just click on the icon. You can just click on it, and then you can come down here. You'll be able to see free download. Once you click, it is going to process this and give you a download link that you can just click to download, and then you can go ahead and customize it to your liking. So once you click on download, it is going to download it very fast. As you can see, we can say open this, and you'll be able to see you can customize this and add in different things. You can remove this tiny PPT logo by just selecting, and you can right click anywhere and say background, and come to background and go to say hide background effects, and this is gone. You can go to solid and probably change the coloration of that section. I think you can start editing and adding content, maybe using text boxes, what they're about. Okay, so if you found this helpful, please leave a like.